Hi, my name is Christian Skoorsmith, and at this year's NGH convention in August, I'm going to be teaching a 2-hour workshop focusing on using tarot card reading and crystal gridding in a professional hypnosis practice, using them as Jungian tools to explore the subconscious, using, for instance, tarot as a way to do life boarding, and crystal gridding as analogous to sand play therapy. So come join me for a heavily workshop-oriented orientation to these two practices over the 2-hour workshop at the NGH convention in August. See you there.